In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. As if right now within Instagram, there is no such option to add highlight without posting photos or videos on story. But there is a workaround. What you will need to do is click on the option add to story. Now select the picture or the video that you want to add in your highlight. Upload it. Right after it has been uploaded, click on the option more, then select the option archive. With that, the story has been archived. It won't appear as story. Now what you will need to do is head back, navigate to your profile page, click on the option new or click on your existing highlight. Now here you're going to find all of your stories. In this page, you're going to find the story that you have just uploaded but you have already removed. Now you are able to add those pictures or the videos to the highlight. Just select those. Now give a name to your highlight, likewise edit cover and click on add. With that, the pictures and the videos will be added in your highlights. So this is how you can easily add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.